Welcome to our YouTube channel. See this account? And this one also. You can do the same without any skill and earn money online. Today I will show you a site where you can make thumbnails and posts for YouTube, Instagram, and other social media sites without any design skill. You can also create many gigs on Fiverr. Watch my upcoming videos to learn how you can create many different gigs on Fiverr and earn money online. Let's dive into the exciting world of design and creativity. CashJob.online is your gateway to unlocking your creativity and designing stunning visuals without breaking a sweat. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting, CashJob's vast template library of over 3,000 plus designs has something for everyone. Creating attention-grabbing YouTube thumbnails has never been easier. With CashJob Editor, you can effortlessly select from a range of ready-made templates or let your creativity shine by crafting your own unique designs. But it doesn't stop at YouTube. CashJob's versatile platform allows you to easily create Facebook posts that comply with platform guidelines. Choose from different sizes and use ready-made templates to design posts that will captivate your audience. Twitter too becomes a canvas for your creativity with CashJob Editor. Craft eye-catching posts and quotes in just minutes without any design skills needed. Engage your audience and share your message with the world. And that's not all. When you join CashJob.online, you get access to a massive pack of 3,000 plus customizable ads and banners. Elevate your marketing game with the best ad templates, all conveniently in one place. Looking for modern ad templates to boost your advertising efforts? CashJob's template library has you covered. Find a plethora of new and captivating ad templates, suitable for platforms like Google, Facebook, and more. Let's make your ads better and more attractive together. Ready to unlock your creativity and make a lasting impression online? Head over to CashJob.online and start creating stunning designs effortlessly. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more design tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.